Hello, this is Jacob McDonald, and this is my Module 7 YouTube lab video for the thermistor lab. As you can see, I have the entire setup for the block diagram for the lab here. Included with that is the LED with the temperature constants integrated into it, so that while it's running, we get our little graph system here, which I've been testing a little bit recently because the one problem I have with this is that I can't technically do a fully successful lab because I can't reach the 70 to 100 C temperature. And the reason for that is because I'm moving out of this house I'm living in tomorrow, and I don't have gas, so I can't boil water. Anyways, I was able to get some ice water though, and I am able to get some hot water from the sink. So we're gonna go ahead and put this in the ice water first, which, as you'll see, shows that's too cold. Unless it is that cold, I don't know. It's been sitting here a minute now. That seems more accurate. It's been a little fluctuate recently, and I'm not 100% as to why. Maybe I can fix that real quick. Let's see, maybe these wires are just a little too off of these. Let's try more stable connection. Let's see it now. It's definitely not negative 22 degrees Celsius or anywhere close to what it's saying. It's definitely probably closer to that right there. If I had to guess, probably somewhere between 3 degrees Celsius and 7 degrees Celsius for the ice water, if it would just work. There we go. That's probably the most accurate number we're going to get, somewhere between 9 and 10. Now if we'll move on to the hot water, see it shoot up to just about 50 degrees Celsius, which is what I was getting earlier. Highest I was able to get was 54. But I can't hit that 70 to 100 degree temperature because I don't have boiling water, because I don't have running gas. But either way, that should be good enough for the most part. I was able to get the entire program to work, as well as the thermistor. I had to try a couple of different thermistors. I got one that was saying that it was 118 degrees, or negative 118 degrees Celsius. And when I put it in the boiling water, it was saying it was negative 2 degrees Celsius. So these little guys have some errors sometimes, but not too bad, I suppose. I did purchase quite a bit too. I managed to get a bunch of different ones. These were the ones that weren't working very good. These smaller 10K ones that I got. These were a lot cheaper because there's a lot more of them, and they're smaller. These ones, this is the one I have on there currently. These are only 3 of them, but these ones seem to work a little bit better. I was able to get this one to work right here, which is the one that I've been using, and then I got another one to work in here as well. So not too bad, but either way, our graph is for the most part fairly accurate. The thermistor is reading room temperature as well pretty accurately, and if I put my hand on it, just squeeze it slightly, it's going to start reading probably pretty decently close to body temperature. Yeah, not too bad. So it's accurate, it's working, it's just, there's a few areas where it kind of flummoxes. So if I put it back in the ice water here, but just barely, should gradually drop down. And it's probably warm enough. It's probably pretty accurate to where it's at, because if I put it over here now, this is probably going to be down to like 48 for the hot water. or even cooler. It is cold in my room, so who knows? Could be. But for the most part, it's working. I wish I had better thermistors, because these ones, thermistor, what is wrong with me? Anyways, yeah, these ones, I just realized I have no sleep right now. These ones aren't working too good, though. And these ones don't even really seem to work at all, unless the reading is just kind of getting flummoxed from the DAC program, but who knows. The whole thing is scuffed on a lot of these, but I think I did it pretty accurately for the most part, so this should suffice. This works for the most part. I have there's a decent graph here, so nothing too bad. Anyways, that's going to be it. This was my lab. Semi-successful is what we'll call it. We were able to get semi-successful accurate measurements from the DAC program as well as the lab experiment itself using our little measurement tool here, these little guys. But not perfect, definitely far from perfect, but this wasn't too bad. Anyways, that'll do it.